The last several examples we have seen have been showing proportional relationships using different ways of representation. Today we're going to look at how to show proportional relationships in multiple ways. So we're going to see equations, tables, and graphs. So essentially this video is just a quick review of those three methods. The first example we have here says a cheetah can run 70 miles per hour. If we wanted to first fill out the table, we can do that because that might be a little bit easier, and then we can go back and write the equation. So if I have 1 hour, that means I'm going to do 70 times 1, and I get 70. For 2 hours, I would do 70 times 2, and that's 140. 3 hours is 70 times 3. You can also do 3 times 7, which is 21, and then bring a 0 to get 210. And then 4 hours, I'm going to do 70 times 4, which gives me 280. Noticing that with my process, every single time I'm using the number 70, so that's going to be the constant number I see in my equation, and then I'm multiplying it by the amount of hours, which is x. So my equation will be y equals 70x. Now that I have my equation filled out, my table filled out, now I can go ahead and try my graph. The graph has the amount of hours here on the bottom, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the total distance here on the side, or the y-axis, and I go up by increments of 50. So I'm just going to have to estimate where each one of these numbers goes. The first example, I had 1 hour equaling 70, so I'm going to go over to the right 1, and then up to about 70, which would be about here. The next one, I have 2 hours, 140, so over 2 to the right, up to 140, which is almost to 150. 3 hours, I'm going to go right 3 and up to 210, and I'm actually running out of space here on the graph, so I'm going to estimate this would be about 250, so I can estimate where my hour 4 would go, so to the right 4, and then up to 280 would be probably about here, okay? And then after you're done making your points on the graph, you're just going to make a straight line as straight as possible. Again, easier on a piece of paper because you can use a straight edge of a piece of paper or ruler. And that's it.